Here are some of the real 5-star reviews found on Facebook about 98 pools and windows. Kathryn Ann writes, "We bought a house with a saltwater pool and needed someone to help us maintain the chemicals. After calling around a few companies, we found Jared with 98 pools. He was able to come out right away and look everything over. He was extremely friendly and knowledgeable. He answered all our questions and was able to get everything balanced for a reasonable price. Thanks, Jared." Ann Loalbo Birdsong states, "Reliability. Jared is always reliable, honest, and upfront. He does what he says he is going to do. He goes above and beyond, and I appreciate that. My pool has never looked better. I highly recommend it." From Kim's Hair Design, "Finally, a pool company that actually cleans your pool. Thanks, Jared. The cleanest our pool has looked in 8 months."
If you find yourself in need of reliable pool service or professional window cleaning, for a free estimate, give us a call at 98 Pools and Windows.